We make noodles.
We make noodles, like my lovely assistant said. We have unwrapped them, put some boiling water in, and then you do this.
Woo! They burn.
And then you get the chicken flavored. Oh,
Chicken.
Then you'll get the scissors. Make sure they're clean, even though these might not look like they're clean. And you do this, go snip, snip. Oh, I didn't snip it further enough. Snip, snip. And then you gotta go shake, shake, shake. See that powdery?
Where? There.
And we go.
Wow.
And we got to be careful because children, you can't do this because it's hot, hot, hot. Oh, yeah, she is hot. And you go and put this in here.
Tasty.
And you got to come over here and get the spatula.
Spatula.
Ah, spatula. Then we come over here, hold the handle with one hand, and you're gonna go stab.
Stop.
Stab.
Making chicken
La
noodles.
la 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 la. La 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 la. And then you leave that over there like that, and you just put that there. Health hazard! Then you come back over here. Look at that, it's bubbling.
Just bubbling.
And then you must snip this one. Can I just say it's my birthday today? Happy birthday to me! Hooray!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Show it.
And you gotta snip this open. My noodles! And then you come back over here. You go like this, go flop.
Wait. Fail.
And then we put
The more chicken flavor. More chicken flavor.
noodles. Then we go snip. Make sure an adult does this because we don't want to cut ourselves.
Because you're an adult, Lauren. Shh.
That didn't work.
Put it in.
And
And poke it.
Put that in the bin. Don't poke it. You have disgusting woman.
Try and break it.
Well, you try and put that in the water.
It's really strong. You
What
might need
did
to
you do?
You might have to put some more water in it. She boiled the kettle.
No, I didn't.
She did before.
Okay.
She drowned them.
Tom! You want noodles, don't you?
We like noodles. We wet and stab them.
Would you like to stir for a little while?
Yes.
Will I put some stuff in the bin?
Whoa. And then you put it into a bowl. Yeah, that would help.
Balls! Not balls.
We wet. Look, it's nice.
Okay.
Oh,
Right.
it's steamy.
It's very sticky. Right, first you must turn it off, or that could be a health hazard and we'd have to... Oh, take that.
And then you quickly put it over here to the cold and scoop it out. Yes, like this.
Hello?
Into the bowl.
Hello?
And that is how you make noodles.